So, any doubt regarding seasonality? So, can I move the next one, ARIMA?
Yes, no doubt. Sir, do we have to check the stationary of other variables?
Yeah. Listen, whenever you do any test, first check all the things. This stationary okay, then convert into the stationality, convert to series. तो series में हम काम करेंगे आगे. Clear? Now see interest rate. Interest rate को कैसे करोगे?
Same procedure, sir.
Quick, periodic, unit root. That is which one? So क्या बोलते हैं? कौन डाटा ये?
Interest.
डाटा कौन सा ये? Interest.
Okay.
No, not defined. Unit root. Okay. So let level. Significant आया क्या?
No, sir.
Then what is next one? Then
First difference.
IM TREST. First difference. क्या क्या? आ गया? So I have to calculate the interest equal to the of interest.
Interest. Okay.
I got this. Okay.
So spelling mistake is
INTEREST. ठीक है. Similarly, you go for money supply. मुझे लग रहा है ये हो गया. मैं आगे बढ़ो. So can I go for again the no required na?
No required.
Once you got the new truth test, once you develop your data set from stationary to non-stationary to stationary, what next? Why you apply time series? Because we want to forecast. We want to in time series what happened? Suppose I want to predict YT plus 1. It depends upon its previous price. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Or suppose I will say the tomorrow price depends upon yesterday price minus plus the day before yesterday price. हो सकता है नहीं हो सकता है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What happened? Tomorrow, when you want to forecast of tomorrow, this is based upon the previous price and previous price and day before price. This is called leg 1. This is called leg 2. Clear?
Yeah.
Sometimes I want to calculate YT plus 1. It may be possible. It depends upon 1 price, 2 price and 3 previous price. मतलब है हमको देखना पड़ेगा ये जो प्राइस जो निकाल कर जो फोकसिंग करेंगे, how many previous leg will be depends upon. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
So this is called auto-regressive model. Which model?
Auto-regression model.
And sometimes what happens, your previous tomorrow price depends upon the residual of previous one. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
It means sometimes your tomorrow price of the stock depends upon the previous residuals or the 2 residuals. Okay, or the 3 residuals. We have to find out how many residuals are significant to predict your tomorrow price. This is called moving average. This is called
Moving average.
what is the difference? Auto-regressive is based upon its own value. Clear?
Yes.
Own lag value, and moving average depends
Based
upon
the
the residual value.
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So, when you develop the equation YT plus 1, it may be auto-regressive plus moving average, only auto-regressive or only moving average. Clear? Let's start. What is auto-regressive process? Its current value depends upon its
Previous own
hello.
value.
YT plus 1 depends upon its previous value. Clear? Or YT plus 1 depends upon its 2 previous value. Clear? Any doubt? What is moving average? The current deviation. Now see, the current deviation from the mean depends upon previous deviation. It means the YT plus 1 depends upon the residual of the previous one. Clear?
Yes.
So, what is that? Auto-regressive moving average, which is called AR plus MA.
MA.
Now see,
Yeah.
this is called autoregressive process. This is called moving average process. This is residuals. This is our own way. Any doubt?
No,
Now suppose now question is what is ARIMA? ARIMA means AR means autoregressive, I means integrated, MA means moving average. They said 201. What is 201? There are two autoregressive and one moving average. Clear? Any doubt?
Yes.
What is 301? What is 301? Past value
One is
and one is residual. Clear?
Hello,
What is one?
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how is this 2 and 1 determined? Suppose ARIMA 201.
That will be, listen, ये मैं एक एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ. अभी सबको पता रहेगा कि कौन सा बेटर मॉडल है. Whether it is 111, is it 101, or is it 200. So it can predict all the forecasting model, and he will say that this is the best model to forecasting. Okay. I will give the example. Now see, there is a बीच में चीज आ रहा है. क्या आ रहा है? 0 and 1 आ रहा है ना?
1 RI.
0 means arts level. There is no trend. It means data directly stationary आ रहा है. Clear? 1 means the first differences. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt? So what is called 2 anybody? Can you explain what is called 212? Autoregressive component. You have to calculate the first difference of stationarity and moving average two component. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
So how can you write down? How can you write? YT is equal to, okay, A1 YT minus 1 plus A2 YT minus 2 plus residual plus A3 residual 1 T minus 1 plus A4 residual T minus 2. Clear? Is it clear now? What is ARIMA? What is I? I means integrated. 0 means direct level. 1 means first difference stationary, and if it's 2, what does it mean?
Second difference.
Okay.
So let's talk about ARIMA model. Okay. So I don't want to explain about this. Let's start about autoregressive. What is first one? First, you take the stationarity. Okay, this should not have a new root. Second, for moving average, you have to calculate. Please go to the E-views. E-views. Okay. एक प्रॉब्लम होता कौन सा एरिमा करेंगे? लेट मी गोल्ड प्राइस का प्रॉब्लम करेंगे. गोल्ड एंड ऑयल प्राइस का. फाइल ओपन gold price.
Sir, can we take gold price and oil price as macroeconomic variable?
Yeah, macroeconomic variable. How can you take macroeconomic variable? Yeah, you can take also, because macroeconomic variable are GDP, interest rate, money supply. Okay, you also take the gold price. You can also come as macro variable. No problem. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You can take the price of that gold price of that, which will measure for inflation. So let's talk about which one. I want to measure the stock of this. Okay. Now listen. When you go for gold, when you take ARIMA, you can. It is a invariant model. Directly आप दो वैल्यू को नहीं ले सकते, एक ही ले सकते. Okay. So first, what is the first one?
Double click on the gold price.
So gold price is the non-stationary. Okay. Now I will calculate B gold. B gold is called return on gold. Clear? First difference होता है return on gold. Any doubt? Return price जो लोग कॉमर्स में स्टूडेंट है उनको पता होगा. First difference gold price is called return price. Any doubt?
Return. Yes. No.
So now what happened? Click return. Check whether it's stationary or not.
Graph.
Yeah. Directly check करो. Stationary. Clear?
Yes.
Now see, gold price is not stationary, but return gold is, what is return gold? Anybody? Return gold means D of gold.
Difference between the two days price.
First
Yeah, so
difference.
return price. So I want to find out the ARIMA model of return gold price. So what I will do? Click, double click, go to the view. Sorry, go to the quick.
Quick.
Sorry, there is a probe. Go to the probe. Okay. It is called automatic ARIMA testing. Are you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Click that.
Yes, sir.
Now see, what is the first one? It is called how many movement it will take? Generally by default will take 4 AR, 4 MA. Clear? We पूछ रहे थे ना sir, how can you say that which ARIMA is better? Anyone you ask about the question, na?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. So now by default I have taken 4. You can take 5 also. It is up to you. I want to take 5. What is 5 AR? Anybody?
In 5 lakh.
5 component. Past value of the gold price. Gold price I have taken and 5 incident I have taken. Then go to the option. I want forecasting comparison graph, ARIMA criteria table, ARIMA criteria graph, and equation output table. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Click OK. Now see, it says that which model is good, how many model is there, how many model is calculated. Now see, this is called right hand में वो ARIMA criteria table है ना. So he calculated 36 probability. Now see, the top one is the better model. Which one?
Top.
Which one? 0, 0. Means कोई past component नहीं ले रहा है, and AIC value is lower in compared to other value. Clear? The AIC value, acquire confirmation criteria is lowest. That is the best ARIMA model. Clear? So, now what is output? Now see in output, okay, आपका पास कोई auto regressive आया क्या? अरे constant ही आ गया. There is no auto regressive component, there is no moving average component. Any doubt?
No.
दोबारा बताओ.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now suppose let's talk about go to the file. इसको मैं क्लिक करता हूँ. Okay. Suppose खाली gold price क्या करते हैं? Let me talk about think that gold price is stationary. Hello. Think that gold price is stationary. I want to calculate the ARIMA. What will do? Double click करो. Gold price को. Go to the pro. Click है मैंने.
Automatic forecasting.
Automatic ARIMA forecasting. Then go to option.
Click on now.
Okay. Now see. What happened? Which is the best model? वो बोल रहे हैं कि you calculate D gold price. Automatic बोल रहा है D gold price. Now यहाँ पर your what is ARIMA model? Auto regressive 0 and moving average also 0. And what is the regression your output? Your output is your model is the ARIMA 0, 0 and your model is like this. 0, 0 में सबसे कम आ रहा है. Okay. Now if you go to the graph, okay, this is the actual stationary, non-stationary. Which one? It's stationary, non-stationary. So what is first one? You have to calculate. You have to convert data into stationary. Go to the quick generate series. D gold price equal to D of gold price. Now here from D gold price, you go for it is a D gold price. No, sorry, गलत हुआ. D gold price. Go to the probe automatic ARIMA. कितना डाटा ले रहा हूँ मैं? Maximum difference कितना ले रहा हूँ? 2 lakh ले रहा हूँ. Auto regressive 4 component, moving average 4 component. Then I go for option. I want forecasting graph. Click OK. Now what happened? There will be no auto regressive, but your forecast depends upon one moving average. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So what is the equation now? What is the equation now? Anybody? What is the equation? YT is equal to, okay, 561 plus 4022 plus 0.15646 into MA. MA means only one ratio. Clear? Then equation output. Then this is they have estimated number of ARIMA model, but the first one is the better. because the AIC value compared to other one is lower. Clear? What is conclusion? What is the ARIMA now? Auto regressive 0. Moving average is
1.
1. So then you go to add quick. There is called estimate equation. Any doubt? Hello? Now what happened? D gold is a dependent price. D gold is dependent is equal to C. Do you have any air component? Do you have any air component? Yes or no?
No.
No. What you are having? One?
Moving average.
One? Every. Okay. You got this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
एक काम करो दोबारा go to the another file. Go to the open foreign data file. Please open another one. Data file. Indian economy. Or what will take? Future spot price. Do you have any about future spot price? Or what do you take? If you want the Indian economy, इसका ARIMA निकालेंगे मतलब. Indian economy, okay. I want to find out GDP forecasting करो. Interest. So how will do interest कैसे करोगे?
double click on it.
Double click on interest.
Go to
Quick.
probe.
Automatic.
Right.
Automatic.
Option. Clear? Now see, what is the conclusion now? What is suggested? AR1
1.1.
1 and 0 0 6. Why? Because 1 1 and 0 0 may your AX value is lower compared to other value. Clear?
Yes.
Then go to option. Go to the quick estimate equation. What is the conclusion? Interest. I want to forecast.
Interest C.
See the constant. But how many auto regressive components are there?
25.
1.
Yes.
How many? Clear? So this is your output. Any doubt? And which is significant. So it means the forecasting of the previous next year interest depends upon the one auto regressive movement of interest and one residual movement of interest, which is significant. Clear? And alpha is 79%, and the statistics is also equivalent to 2. There is no autocorrelation now. Clear now? There is called forecast. Forecast लिखा है ना? ठीक करो. Interest का forecast करेंगे. ठीक, okay. Now see the forecast. Is the forecast clear?
Yes, sir.
You see the residual also. Now see the model is better fit because all residuals are within process. दोबारा करो. दोबारा बताओ ARIMA.
Yes,
Can I go for? Can you find out the money supply ARIMA? Forecasting of money supply.
Yes.
Can you do that?
Yes.
How can you do? Go to
Open file, open new. Foreign data.
नहीं same file करेंगे.
Okay.
Okay, now I want to calculate the ARIMA model of the money supply and WPI. How can you do that? Go to probe. No, first you click that money supply.
Double click on
Then go to the probe. Then automatic forecasting. Then option. I want comparison. Now what happened? What is the conclusion? When you want forecast of one supply, it does not depend upon its own leg, but it depends upon one moving average. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because the AIC value in compared to other one is very
low.
low. So what will do? Go to the estimate equation. Then money supply M3 M1 is equal to C. Is there an auto regressive component?
AR1.
No.
No, AR0.
AR0.
MA1.
Moving average 1.
MA1.
M1.
AR0 moving average 1.
Now see, what is moving average is not significant. Okay, but so if you want to forecast also, see the forecast. This is your forecasting line. I want to see the residuals and I see actual and fitted. This is actual and the green color is fitted line, which is close to this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then if you go for estimation output, you can also find out estimation of output. Then you can also find out the actual fitted residuals graph, residual graph. You can also find out the actual value, fitted value, residual value. So these you can require in your research paper. So any doubt regarding ARIMA model?
No, sir.
So can I go for another new file?
Yes, sir.
So there is another file I have already said to all of you that is called Reliance, the RIL and Reliance agency price. Please open that.
ONDC price.
Now I want to, can you predict the ONGC? Can you find out ARIMA model of ONGC? What should the ONGC price after next 2 years or after? So first of all, what you check? Go to the ONGC. Then then
automatic ARIMA.
Automatic ARIMA forecasting.
okay, then
Options,
option.
forecast.
Clear? What is the component? So now you decide the automatic लोग क्या बोल रहा है? ONGC का T log is stationary. Clear? Automatically आपको automatic बता देगा कि कौन ONGC stationary or what is stationary. So he concluded that ONGC का log price and its first difference is stationary. Clear? Hello? And
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so that is dependent variable. So what is the next one? He calculate that ARIMA AR3 component and moving average 3 component having the best predictor to forecasting of the ONGC price. Okay? So what will do? Go to week
Estimate.
Estimated question.
and what will take?
ONDC.
T log,
ONDC.
ONGC. Then C, then
AR3,
AR3. AR3. MA3.
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 MA3. Okay.
okay?
Yeah.
Or you can say that like this. You can also do like this. Sorry. Week, estimated question, ONGC, then C, AR1, AR3 का हमको तीन component था ना?
अच्छा AR3,
AR3 गलत हुआ था हमारा. MA1,
MA2, MA3.
MA2, MA3. This is your right result. वो गलत हुआ था. Okay?
हाँ.
So I hope the ARIMA model is okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I already explained about this. Any doubt? Now the second one is already I discussed about this file, ONGC RAL file. Okay. Now what is the third one? What is granular causality? ज़्यादा हो गया क्या? इजी लग रहा है ना? डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है? बताओ 35. Easy or difficult? Okay, अभी तक इजी लग रहा है. अभी और भी इजी लगेगा. Now most of the research paper you find there is a granular causality. What is granular causality? Suppose your GDP and interest rate. Okay? Whether GDP is impact on interest rate or interest rate is equal to GDP. I want to measure that. It means what happened? मेरे पास तीन वेरिएबल है. एक GDP है, एक इन्फ्लेशन है, एक मनी सप्लाई है. What next? Interest rate है. Clear? I want to know which causes, whether GDP causes inflation or inflation causes GDP. The GDP causes money supply causes GDP. The GDP causes interest rate or interest causes GDP. The inflation causes money supply or money supply causes inflation. Okay? Or inflation, it means all the different types of relationship I want to measure through which test. So how you do gradual causality, and you can write a very good paper on gradual causality. I will explain that. I will share some paper and explain also once I complete. So one is cause, another is
effect.
Sir, is it endogeneity problem?
yeah, it is endogeneity panel में होता है. It is not endogenous problem. To understand which is the cause and which is the effect. Okay.
Yes.
To understand endogeneity also, you can apply the. Okay, you are right. Also, you can go for conjugal. One is cause, another is why and what. So how can I write the concept says the cause always precedes the effect. Or means if x and y are two variables, I want to find out if an event x happened before the other variable y. How can you say that x grandeur causes
Why?
y?
Why?
Okay. Or x doesn't grandeur causes y. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's talk about. Please go to the e-views and open the macroeconomic variable. Econometrics, macroeconomic variable. Sorry, Indian, go to the Indian economy, Indian economy. I have said some of the one file, that is Indian economy. Clear? Okay. What are the things? GDP, interest,
money
money
supply,
supply,
residual,
and double pay.
price,
I want to find out whether all are causes. Please do one thing. Select GDP, select interest, select money supply, select double pay. Is it clear?
yes.
Please go to the quick. There is called group statistics. ये group में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Group statistics है. Please go grandeur causality आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Click. Now see, is it stationary or non-stationary? GDP interest stationary non-stationary?
Not stationary.
हम लोग एक काम करते हैं. First will convert the. First हम बिना check करेंगे. Check. First will check without checking stationary, then we go for stationary. Okay? Real model. सिखाने के लिए मैं बता रहा हूँ कि आप इन्हें check. Click OK. Click OK. Now see. What is the first? Which is the each data आ रहा है. कितना data आ रहा है? Interest, nominal causes और GDP. What is the value here?
0.7.
Which is higher than 0.05. Which is higher than 0.05. So this is.
Yes, sir.
तो हम देखना पड़ेगा कौन सा 0.05 पे कम है. Is there any value which is less than 0.05?
No, sir.
Please check GDP.
0.0.
Out of this, money supply does not grandeur causes. So it means first one. What is the first one? Interest does not causes GDP. Not significant. Okay. It means what? It means GDP causes interest. Any doubt? How is significant नहीं हो रहा है? मतलब क्या? दूसरा significant आया है ना? If interest does not grandeur causes GDP, which is rejected, it means what? GDP has some causes and interest. Hello.
Interest, yes. Yes, sir.
Similarly, money supply does not grandeur causes GDP. Not significant, not accepted. Similarly, GDP also not grandeur causes money supply. Also not accepted. So tell me, out of all the model, which is significant?
MI does not grandeur cause.
Money supply does not grandeur.
Others are not but this is a wrong ritual because these are non-stationary data. First, what you will do the first thing, you have to convert into what you will do? Go to the quick, generate series. इसमें काम करो. Wait. Click all the things. Go to the option. Go to the quick. There is called estimate. Group statistics. यहाँ लिखो DGDP. क्या लिखोगे? DGDP. यहाँ से कैलकुलेट कर लिया मैंने. ठीक है? Then what next?
interest.
Why I have the interest? Why I have written the interest?
First difference of
So first difference may be
second.
you have to check it. Okay. तो मैं बार-बार नहीं करूँगा, आपको already मैं कर चुका हूँ. Clear?
Yes.
Now, all session that I am having now, all the first differences, click OK. Now see, this is my final result. Which is close to 0, close to 0.05, less than 0.05. Anybody?
WPI does not measure.
This is close to 0. This is rejected. The money supply does not gather because the GDP is rejected. It means money supply hence causes on GDP. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Close to 0. This is close to 0, na? It means this null hypothesis is rejected. So what is the conclusion? Money supply hence causes in GDP. One conclusion is drawn. What is the second one? This again is less than 0.05. So causes GDP. Clear? This is rejected. It means interest rate causes money supply. Clear?
Yes.
Then interest rate causes WPI. Clear? And money supply causes WPI, which is 10%. So out of all the models, only 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 has significant. Conclude that yes, money supply causes GDP. Okay, money supply causes GDP.
Null hypothesis is rejected.
Double pay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can I go for another new problem? एक new problem करेंगे क्या? एक problem लो. There is called as econometrics. There is called macro variable. देखा है ना? So what are the variables? Consumer price index, exchange rate, foreign exchange ratio. I want to find out the granular causality between all the three. Clear?
Yeah.
What is first step? Anybody? What is the first step?
Select all.
Double click on
CPI.
variable.
CPI.
To check whether it is a non-stationary. Clear? It means hello. हम आवाज आ रहा है. Not stationary. So we conclude that TCPI is a stationary. Okay. So what I will do? So I conclude that all the differences are first differences are stationary. Clear? And I will select all the three. I will go to the option. Anybody? Will quick then. Ready? Then instead of CPI, what I will write? DCPI. Why? Because first difference is stationary. Then D exchange rate. Then DFER. Clear?
Yes.
Click OK. Now, any result? Anybody? Which is significant? What is the conclusion now? Only one relationship. Exchange rate causes on exchange rate. Clear? So आप लोग क्या करोगे? You take all the macroeconomic variable 15 or 16, then apply, check the seasonality, and check which is the causes to the other one. Can you write a paper on this? And most of the research paper is based upon this. Suppose मैं COVID का data ले रहा हूँ, और price data, stock price data ले रहा हूँ. देखो during COVID period, whether stock price has the same causes or not, I can apply gradually. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
What can you go for new one?
Yes,
ना होगी इतना काफी है.
Yes, sir.
I can
the same.
Don't worry. और 1 घंटा मिल जाएगा तो मैं इकोनॉमेटिक्स खत्म कर दूंगा.
नहीं सर, sufficient I think sir.
The team के तरह से मैं काफी
Interesting sir.
स्टार्ट करूं बाहर.
Sir, I
Now-
have a question sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you please explain endogenous problem?
What is endogeneity?
और
Endogeneity and externality. What is endogeneity? One is dependent variable, one is independent variable. I want to find out whether GDP is endogenous to the interest rate or interest rate endogenous to GDP. जो आपका ग्राउंडर कॉजेस जो कर रहा है ना, that is endogenous problem. हेलो.
yes sir, yes sir.
Okay sir.
Suppose आपने conclusion किया GDP is causes interest rate. Okay? GDP is ग्राउंडर causes interest rate. So it which one? GDP has an which is x1, this is y depends upon or interest rate depends upon your GDP. Okay? So this endogenous problem can be checked through granular calculator. Any doubt?
Okay sir, thank you.
Now there is called system of equation. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? System of equation करेंगे कि we will find out जो granular calculation का जो higher version है, that is called which one? Now see, in VAR model, we have to calculate each different equation मैं बता रहा हूँ. I want to predict y1 based upon its previous price. Second, then it's previous one 2 left, or I can go for second price or previous करूँगा based upon the previous one and second one. I will explain about concept. This is called granular calculator. What is granular calculating? हमने क्या देखा? 2 वेरिएबल देख रहे थे ना?
Yes sir.
Hello.
Yes sir,
You
yes
can
sir.
measure granularity with 2 variables. But if you have more than 2 variables, how can you take the granularity? That can be possible without one area. Now x1 and x2, दो variable होगा. We can go for granular calculator test here.
Yes.
Whether x1 is causes to x2 or x2 is causes to x1. Clear?
Yes.
But I want to find out y is my one dependent variable and I want to find out x1, okay,
Yeah.
x2 and x3 all three together. x1 का दो प्राइस प्रीवियस ले रहा हूँ, x2 का दो प्रीवियस प्राइस ले रहा हूँ and x3 का दो प्रीवियस प्राइस ले रहा हूँ. I want to check whether this variable is causes to x1 or causes to x2 or causes to x3. So it is called when you have more than 2 variables and you want to check the granular causes, that can be checked through. What is the difference? Anybody? What is the difference? Only x and y is your granular causes. Okay? y2, x1, x2, x3 is called. Hello?
Yes sir.
Wow.
इसमें क्या हुआ? दो वेरिएबल था ना?
Yes sir.
अब इसमें हम वेरिएबल ले रहे हैं.
Yeah, more than 3, more than 2.
And I will check which is the granular causes to the variable. So now see, let's talk about answer clear one. Now see, is open another one variable that is called. एक बताओ कौन से आप बताओ कौन से काम करेंगे किसमें काम करेंगे? Give any variable, whether you go for upper variable or you go for Indian economy. That will Indian economy.
Indian economy से रहेगा.
Indian economy.
Okay, let me call Indian economy. Now see, how many variables are there?
GDP,
GDP, interest, money supply and WPI. We want to examine all four. So this is called quick. Okay?
Yeah.
There is go to block. Last of all, go to the. There is called. क्या लिखा है यहाँ पर पढ़ो तो? Hello.
estimate भार.
Estimate bar.
Estimate भार.
Okay, so what is endogenous variable? GDP is dependent. Then interest. Hello.
Yes sir.
Then money supply.
Money supply M1.
Then WPI.
WPI.
Then I want to find out there are two models I have to take. One is I first have to take the VAR, then I go for DCA model. First I take the VAR model. Okay?
Standard भार. Yes.
Standard VAR. and I want to check the अभी तो मैं 2 lakh ले रहा हूँ, जब lakh selection हम करूँगा, I don't know at what lakh is significant. By default, I will take how many variable?
6 variable.
4 variable.
नहीं, lakh 2 ले रहा हूँ.
2 lakh.
One previous one, then next previous one. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
मैं check करूँगा कि 2 पे होगा ना और भी ज़्यादा होगा, but by default मैं 2 ले रहा हूँ.
Yes.
और ये next one, exogenous. मैं यहाँ पर कोई experiments नहीं है. All are interdependent. Clear? रंजन कॉर्डिनेटर को पता लग गया. Clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक, okay.
Okay.
Now see, GDP का ऊपर कितना लाख लिया मैंने? 2 लाख लिया था.
Yes, sir.
GDP का ऊपर इंटरेस्ट 2 लाख लिया था. हेलो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
GDP का ऊपर 2 manageable लाख लिया था. Now this bracket is called standard error. This is called beta value. This is called t value. And yesterday I already told you. I already explained. If t value is greater than 2, that is significant.
Significant. Yes.
GDP का इम्पैक्ट किसका कॉजेस किस कर रहा है? प्रीवियस पास्ट डाटा में इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है. करंट जीडीपी हैज इम्पैक्ट ऑन पास्ट जीडीपी.
Yes, sir.
1 lakh और सेकंड लेग में इम्पैक्ट नहीं कर रहा है. क्लियर?
नहीं कर रहा.
So GDP has no impact on interest rate. Clear?
Yes, no, sir.
Or you can say that interest rate doesn't causes GDP. Doesn't causes. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Money supply doesn't causes GDP. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What about wholesale price index doesn't causes GDP? Any doubt?
Yes. No, sir.
What about interest? Only this one is significant. So interest also causes its own one leg and both the legs. So both the leg simultaneously impact on interest rate. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anything else? What about money supply? Money supply has under causes of previous interest rate and its own leg. Its own leg. Past information. What is WPI? Impact on GDP.
Second leg.
Second leg. GDP second leg. And money supply. It means
Second leg.
you clear now?
WPA on.
Now मैं कितना लिया था यहाँ पर leg? कितना लिया था?
No leg.
But I have to check whether the leg is okay or not. Then go to the view. There is called leg structure. आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes.
There is called leg criteria. I want to check what is the maximum leg you can carry out. Any doubt?
Yes.
मैं ले रहा हूँ यहाँ पर 5 leg ले रहा हूँ. 6 leg check कर रहा हूँ. Now see, कहाँ पर AX value कम हो रहा है? सबसे AX value सबसे कम कहाँ हो रहा है? 6 में आ रहा है देखो.
38.366.
मतलब है आपको इस बार मॉडल के लिए 6 मॉडल दिया जाएगा. क्यों इतना ज्यादा क्यों लेगा रहा है? You know, क्योंकि हमने नॉन स्टेशनरी को चेक कर रहे हैं, स्टेशनरी डाटा नहीं लिए. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
So what is first step?
We have to convert the data into stationary.
स्टेशनरी करेंगे ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा लेग कम हो जाएगा. अभी स्टेशनरी का लेग ज्यादा हो रहा है. ओके, तो व्हाट हैपेंड? अभी मान के चलो अभी मेरे 6 में आ रहा है तो अरे स्टार आ रहा है ना. So conclude that at 6 point leg that is significant. What will next? Go to the quick option, quick estimate bar. Again write down what next? The GDP. Clear? And D, anybody?
Interest.
Interest. Then D,
Money supply.
money supply.
money supply. Then D,
WPI.
WPA.
clear?
Yeah.
And what is the leg? What is the leg? 1, 2?
Leg.
6.
6 में आया ना बराबर? क्या बोला? D is illegal reserve.
Yes, sir.
तो क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या हुआ? Again पहले मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? What next one? Estimate bar. Okay, पहले हमको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. Then डायरेक्टली मैं कर रहा हूँ ना यहाँ पर. D नहीं है यहाँ पर. है क्या यहाँ पर DGDP?
नहीं है सर.
तो मैं भी जनरल कर रहा हूँ GDP. तो आपको समझ आ गया ना कैसे करना है?
Yes, sir.
इंटरेस्ट
पहले वो सीरीज कैलकुलेट करनी पड़ेगी
पहले आपको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा, देन यू कैन डू दैट। मैं सिखाने के लिए मैं कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पर। देन आई विल टेक 6 lakh, 6 lakh. Now see, this is the final result. Clear? Now GDP का कहाँ पर significant आ रहा है बताओ? When you want to forecast on GDP, its impact is already in the third leg and fifth leg. Clear?
third and fifth leg.
And what about interest rate? Third leg and fifth leg and sixth leg. Clear?
Third, fifth, and first. Yes, sir.
Then there is a call quick. Hello.
Yes, sir. Wait.
There is a call. Now what happened? I want to calculate the coefficient. क्या करूँगा अभी? दोबारा बताऊँगा भार. Can you explain again? भार को दोबारा बताओ.
Yes, sir.
Okay, मैं समझ आ रहा हूँ. Okay, now this is your problem. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Go to the quick. क्या लिखा है?
Estimate bar.
bar. क्या वेरिएबल है? GDP. Then
interest, M1, WPI.
Money supply, WPI.
M1, WPI.
any doubt?
No, sir. Sir, 6
So what is the
lakh.
length criteria we have calculated? What is the maximum length?
6 lakh.
Suppose for a, you know that let me 3 lakh. Okay? Now 3 lakh में आया हूँ. Okay, so that you will understand. Now, click OK. You got this. Any doubt? Can you interpret now this result?
Yes, sir.
Please explain it.
Now GDP is dependent variable. These are independent variable. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This bracket value is called standard error, and this the parenthesis is called T value. Now we have to check T value should be greater than 2. कहाँ पर 2 से ज़्यादा है बताओ? GDP significant नहीं आ रहा है. Interest rate भी significant नहीं आ रहा है. Money supply भी नहीं आ रहा है. आ रहा है क्या?
नहीं आ रहा है. No, नहीं आ
तो
रहा है.
GDP जब आप फोकसिंग करेंगे तो its own leg or 3 legs or interest or money supply does not any impact. Clear? What about interest? Similarly, result will drop. Okay? क्यों आ रहा है बताओ? हमने डाटा आपको स्टेशनरी कन्वर्ट नहीं किए. समझ आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the first step? You convert into stationary. Okay? मैं दोबारा शुरू से करूँ कैसे करता हूँ? शुरू से करूँ?
सर, इसे नई सीरीज क्रिएट करना था एक बार.
Okay. Quick generate series. Write down DGDP
Yes, sir.
equal to
GDP
T of
equal to
GDP.
T of
Clear?
GDP. Yes, sir.
आ गया? Second, generate series. What next?
The interest
The interest
is equal to
T of
interest.
interest. Okay?
Yes, sir.
क्या प्रॉब्लम हुआ?
वो सब स्पेस दे दिया था स्पेस. जी सर. दे दिया था.
The interest. Okay, equal to होना चाहिए ना?
Yes, sir. Equal to. Yes, sir.
Then the M1
money supply. M1 equal to P bracket.
then
P WPI.
the
WPI equal to
clear?
okay.
Now I want to calculate VAR. Quick estimate VAR. क्या क्या लूँगा? क्या क्या लूँगा? The interest DGDP first DGDP रखेंगे ना? ये main variable, ये depend variable है.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Then
interest.
here है INTRE. Okay, then
MI,
DM1.
TMI,
M1.
DWPI.
DM1, then
DWPA.
any doubt? अभी तो मैं डिफॉल्ट को ले रहा हूँ, हाँ? दोबारा पढ़ा रहा हूँ, ओके?
ठीक है सर.
Now see, DGDP किसका इम्पोर्ट पड़ रहा है? कोई नहीं आ रहा है. इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं आ रहा है. इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है. इंटरेस्ट इज सिग्निफिकेंट ऑन इट्स सेकंड लेग. Okay. We conclude then money supply has no impact on again the interest rate. Money supply. Okay.
Yeah.
Then what will then I want to calculate the leg criteria. What is then go to the view leg structure. Leg में मैं 5 ले रहा हूँ. कहाँ पर 2 में आ गया, ठीक है ना? You see the SC value, risk of class value. जहाँ पर स्टार आएगा that is your leg criteria. कहाँ पर आ रहा है? 1 में आ रहा है. कहाँ पर आ रहा है?
1 में आ रहा
है. ये और मैक्सिमम कहाँ पर आ रहा है? 5 में आ रहा है. AIC 5 में आ रहा है. 49.5. So it means 5 is our better one. Clear? Okay, let's go to the quick estimate bar. दोबारा बताओ. DGDP, interest, then
M1, DWPA.
TW,
Yeah. Leg 5.
leg 5. Okay. Now I hope you can analyze the things.
Yes, sir.
GDP depends on the GDP does not depends on any of the parameter except interest are significant आ रहा है, ठीक है ना? So while forecasting GDP now कैसे forecasting करो है? How can you forecast? Please go to this is the last step. This is called quick. This is called क्या लिखा है यहाँ पर? Option. Hello.
Yes, sir.
क्या लिखा मैंने? Make system. क्या लिखा मैंने? Make
System.
मुझे forecasting करना है ना? Forecasting apply करना है. Then order by leg. Now see, GDP का पूरा सारा चीज आ गया. इंटरेस्ट सारा चीज आ गया. मनी सप्लाई आ गया. And डबल बैग आ गया. आ गया ना? क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir.
पूरा बता रहा हूँ. कैसे किया मैंने? Then क्या किया मैंने? तो make system किया. Then what is last one? Define system. Then क्या करूँगा? Estimate. In estimate, I want to method apply. OLS. Now I got this result. ये प्रेशर पेपर में चाहिए. This output. Clear? Estimate आ गया ना? सारा इक्वेशन यहाँ जो वैल्यू आया है, this is called coefficient value. This is P value, probability value. Suppose when I measure this GDP, all the parameters taken, you see which is significant. कहाँ का लिया है? 64, 65, 66. यहाँ चेक करो, वो significant है ना नहीं है? According to XP, 64 is not significant, 65 is not significant. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is C1? Anybody? What is C1? No. GDP का जो forecasting first leg का coefficient, interest का coefficient, money supply का coefficient,